Time to go to work. Got 4 clients today. I arrived, but my client is not here. Awkward. So this guy is not there. I texted him, he'll be there in 25 minutes. Last time he said that he took 40 minutes. So I'm I told him, when you get home, let me know, and I'm gonna go ahead and take care of somebody nearby. I'm going to Nissan to pick up parts for a Nissan Quest 2015. This used to be the only tunnel in Florida, but now they have one in Miami. Sucks. Now there's 2 of them. The radiator and 2 jugs of coolant, one right behind this box. I'm back at my first client, so let's see what's up with this AC. Took up our gauges. Oh, jeez. Those of you that don't know, the low side is under the fender liner, but this one doesn't have it, thankfully. So it made my job 10 times easier. But stupid location, for sure. Stupid, dumb location, but what do I know? I'm not an engineer. Oh! Okay. It turns out that the compressor's weak. 209,000 miles. To our second client, you guys. Going to our second client and go from the, oh, actually I gotta go to the Chrysler Dodge and Jeep again. It's like the 3rd time this week going there. Dodge. We got the information for the parts. Now on to my next.
Have a great day.
You too, thank you so much. Client number, I don't know what number this is. Time to do the radiator. It's gonna be fine to remove. Alright, well, I put the new radiator in. This one right here on the side. Now where did I put that? I'm missing something. It sucks. There you go. Put this on. Put that on. Here, this. It's on the battery. And yeah, after that I'm gonna the coolant, make sure nothing's leaking, everything's good, and put the pump back on. So the coolant reservoir. Now we're bleeding the system. See a little bubble that's air trapped inside. It's almost done though. The bumper's back on, already attached that side. Now I finish up here. The grill. Alright, time to bleed the system. Alright. Done. Alright, finished. Officially started pouring, so I had to wait it out. There's no deals right now. Straight garbage. Well, it was a short day, got rained on, but yeah. Finished.